Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy, if you don't know me. Today I played with the Melt Baby Girl stack, which is stunning. It is not available yet. It will be available in April, so watch their page to see the launch date. This is like so far from what I had actually intended on creating. This just kind of happened. I'm gonna let you guys know before I forget, this is the Lala synthetic wig from Trendy Wigs, and my code right now, JD40, instead of 30% off, right now you can get 40% off. So if you need a wig to make your looks a little bit extra, then hit up Trendy Wigs. And please let me know if you do grab a wig with my code. I get commission on each sale using my code, and I would love to personally thank you for your purchase. My cute little off the shoulder bell sleeve pink top is from YesStyle. I'll leave a link below, and I think that's it. I think that we can get into the tutorial now. I meant to start filming 2 hours ago, and I've been procrastinating for 2 hours. Good job, Jordy. I already put on my skincare stuff, my moisturizer and whatnot. It'll be linked below as per usual. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick to Flawless sticks for foundation, concealer, and contour. First, I'm using warm porcelain, and this will be my base. I'm just gonna put this all over. The first time I tried this foundation, I did not like it. I think I tried it 2 times and then was like, nope, it's not for me. That was probably over a year ago. And my skin used to be like chronically dry. So this just didn't work. It clung to all my dry spots. It did not look good. And then I decided to try it again because my skin has changed quite a bit. Just using the Pro 4F Furless collab brush. But I've been using this foundation now. I've been testing it for about a week. It doesn't look heavy or cakey. It is buildable. It's not super full coverage the way that I do it, but I like that right now. Then I'm gonna go in with Alabaster. And this is what I've been using to conceal. And I have really been liking it. I'm just putting this in all of the places that I highlight. And then at the same time, I'm gonna go in with the Fawn contour stick. And I'm gonna put this in all the places that I contour. The only thing that I'm not crazy about with this foundation is that after a really long time, like if I wear this for 12 hours, I'm really, really greasy by the end of the day. But I prefer that to a foundation that breaks up or creases or anything like that, because I can just blot away the oil and my makeup still looks good. How weird is that though? It used to be I didn't like it because it was so dry, and now I have the opposite problem. I'm just blending this out with a damp beauty blender. I really like using these sticks because it's so fast. Now I'm going to bake my face a little bit with the Kat Von D Lock It translucent powder. Someone told me once you get wrinkles faster when you have dry skin. So whenever I'm oily, I just think of that, which is really silly. But it makes me feel okay about the grease. I'm just first applying it to all of my highlighted spots. Sorry, my voice is really funny right now. And this will kind of brighten them. And then as I dust away this powder, I'll dust it over top of all my contour so it is also set. My face like absorbed a lot of that powder. There's like no bake left. Where did it go? I mean, my face didn't absorb it. The makeup absorbed it, I hope. I'm gonna fill in my brows with my 3CE Studio Coloring Brow Pencil and Mascara. This has been my go-to pencil lately if I'm not using a pomade. I am using this pencil. I just find it really quick and easy. I love the shape of it. And I love that it's got the mascara in one unit. That's some pretty precise eyebrow with a pencil. And then on the other end, you've got a tinted brow gel. I'm into it. Now that I've got two eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Pro 3F just to get rid of that excess powder in a tapping motion. For my eyes, I'm going to use the new Milk Cosmetics Baby Girl Stack. Just look at this packaging. I did not purposely match my nails to this, I swear. I'm gonna start with Come Over, and I'm gonna use the Pro 7E Fritless It's Likely makeup brush, probably for like this whole eye look. Well, no, not the whole eye look, but a lot of it. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna start blending this out. This is such a cool, like pinky orange. I'm just gonna blend this out all the way up to my eyebrow. I'm just gonna darken the outer edge. These are insanely pigmented. Wow. Now I'm gonna go into So Dope. I'm so excited to see what this one looks like. Still using my big brush. I'm gonna go real big. And blend this out right down, almost onto my cheek. This color is stunning. It's just a little bit pinker than that orange. Love it. Put this on the lid. Actually gonna bring this down even farther. And bring it up around my brow. It makes me so happy just to pile colors onto my face. Originally, I did want to keep this on the pink and orange side, but I want to try like all of the stack if I can. So I'm going to make it darker. I'm going to use Dust Yourself Off next, and I'm going to go in with the Pro 4E. And I'm going to add this to the inner corner. Down here. I know some of y'all are watching this right now thinking, what the fuck is she doing? That looks ridiculous. And that's okay. This look's not for everybody. God, I am in love with these shadows. I'm gonna go in with the Pro 2F. And just give this a bit of a blend. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pro 4M and some concealer. And looking straight ahead in the mirror, I'm gonna go big with this one. That went very well. I am pleased. And then also with some concealer and the Pro 1L, this is the lip brush. I'm gonna cut out some little tears because I'm a baby girl and I'm also a crybaby. Just some really simple tears, not super detailed ones like my other tear look that I will link above. I think I'll put another one right here. Oh, whoa! Did you guys see that? So the lip brush doubles as a tear stamp. Oh Oh, that one didn't work as good. It's okay. You guys saw that. With the same brush, the Pro 4M, I'm gonna use Baby Girl on the cut crease. In the pan, it looks orange, but it's actually really, really pink. It has lots of pink reflex in it. I'm also going to put that on my little tears. Tiny bit of shadow left on this brush. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shadow around the tears so you can see it a little bit more. I'm gonna go back into So Dope. Throw that on here. I'm gonna add some white liner. This is the, I don't know actually what this is called. What is this called? The LA Splash Ultra Defined Wings. It's really hard to read. And this is the shade Saint. And I'm gonna use the Pro 6E. First I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add a little bit of a line right here. I'm also gonna add a little bit of a highlight on our little baby tears. Hi, Ben. And now I'm gonna do a big white wing. Hopefully it looks cool. I'm into it. I want there to be a little bit more white on the bottom, so I'm going to paint my bottom lashes white, but I am going to do some dramatic black lashes on the top. So I'm gonna put on some Model's Own Grandmaster Lash Mascara. Before I put on my lashes, I'm gonna let my mascara dry. While it's drying, I'm gonna go back into So Dope. Put a little bit of that on my nose. And I'm gonna add some highlights with my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette. I'm just using the shade Vivid, which is kind of pink. I'm gonna put it right over top of that pink that we've got happening. I'm also gonna put it on the tip of my nose. But for the bridge of my nose, I'm gonna use my regular highlight color Glow. I look like a cute clown. Definitely gonna go big with the lashes for this look, so I'm gonna use the Black Magic Lashes, aka Rouge and Rogue, in the style Electra. Doesn't want to stick in the corner. Why is this happening? For the lips, I'm gonna use Melt Liquid Lipstick in Sydney. Seems like a baby girl color to me. I'm just gonna blur my lip line a little bit. And I'm gonna put a little bit of So Dope on the center. I love doing a little bit of a darker color in the middle. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Jumbo Pencil in Milk by NYX to my waterline. I'm gonna put a little bit more of So Dope on my nose. Just make it a little bit more noticeable. Really get that clown look and effect. And I think I'm gonna skip freckles today. I know. Who am I? I'm gonna grab my wig and I'll be right back. This is the Lala synthetic lace wig from Trendy Wigs, and it seemed like the obvious choice for this look. This look is actually really similar to my Valentine's Day look from last year. That stack is incredible. I can't wait to use it more and do some glam looks with it. I'm so excited. I hope you guys like this look, even if it's not something you would wear, but I would really, really, really like it if you guys recreated this look and tagged me at itslikelymakeup, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.